So part of what's going on out here in Labadie, Missouri is just a demonstration about how there's so much purpose on the farm, and there's all these demonstrations, shelling corn for the chicken, cutting firewood, and this is just demonstrating how innovative Americans are. We've always looked for ways to make the job easier so that we weren't so taxed with doing the labor every minute of the day. And look at these gorgeous old tools. I love to see this kind of preservation. It's so important. It's neat. And this is great. Absolutely great. Just good stuff going on with good people.
Yeah, this guy makes rope.
Amazing. Just a really nice, big gathering. Lively but kind of quiet. It's lovely.